Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to play a super easy version of "Oh Christmas Tree" on the piano. Whether you're a beginner or even if you've never played piano before, give this a try and you'll be surprised how easy it is. Let's come to the piano to get started. By the way, you can get the sheet music for free for "Oh Christmas Tree." Just go to the Hoffman Academy website, follow the link below, and pause if you need a minute to download and print out your own sheet music. And when you're ready, let's get started by finding your hand position. Our left hand finger 4 is going to start on this G below middle C. So your finger 1 will be on middle C, and all your other fingers will just find a white key. And then your right hand finger 1 will be on this D, just a step above where your left hand thumb is. So find this position on your piano, and let's try the first few notes. We'll start with the left hand finger 4. And I'll sing the finger numbers for today. Remember, your thumbs are 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the code for finger numbers in piano. So let's start with a 4, 1, 1, 1. Now you try. Good. Now try singing it with the words. Try it with me. Go. Oh, Christmas tree. And notice that rhythm, which is so important in this song. Christmas tree. Notice the muss of Christmas is pretty quick. Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Now you try. Good. And then the right hand takes a turn starting on finger 1. Oh, Christmas tree. And in finger numbers, that's 1, 2, 2, 2. Now you try. Good. Now let's put those two together. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Now you try. And I recommend you sing along as you play. Singing will help you get the rhythms correct. And by the way, if you ever need extra time to practice, feel free to pause and rewind. Do whatever you need to do to give yourself time to practice. But if you're ready, let's keep going. Now, How Lovely Are goes like this. I'll sing finger numbers. We'll start with right hand finger 2. 2, 1, 2, 3. Notice we started here, step down, step up, step up. 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Now let's sing it with the words. How lovely are. Your turn. Good. And then finger 2 of the left hand, your. And then right hand finger 1. Then left hand finger 1. For your branches. Now you try. Now let's put that together with How Lovely Are. How lovely are your branches. Now you try. Good. Now let's put all of that together so far. My turn first. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches. Now, pause the video and practice that first line a few times and sing along while you play, and that will help you make sure you're getting the correct notes and rhythms. Then press play when you're ready to go on. Now, the good news is the next line is exactly the same, so we can just play the same notes again. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. All right, so we already know those notes, so let's go on to this next part. We're going to start with finger 4 on this G. And that repeats 4, 4, 2, 5. So 4, 4 repeats, skip down, and then leap up from 2 all the way up to 5. 4, 4, 2, 5. Now you try. And the words for that are, your boughs are green. And boughs is just kind of an old-fashioned word for branches. And so, your boughs are green. Now you try. And then we'll have 4, 4, 3, 3. Now you try. And that line is in summer's clime. Now you try. Let's put that together now. Your boughs are green in summer's clime. Now you try. Great. Now pause if you need extra practice with that. Otherwise, let's keep going. This next part starts on finger 3. 3, 3, 1, 4. Notice we have that same pattern again where we repeat, skip down, and then a leap up of a fourth, which is the distance of 4 notes. And through the snows. Now you try. In finger numbers, that's 3, 3, 1, 4. Now you try. And then we have 3, 3, 2, 2, a repeat on 3, then step down, 2, 2, repeat on 2. Of winter time. Now you try. Now let's put that together with and through the snows. And through the snows of winter time. Now you try. Start on finger 3. Now, the reason it's helpful to have the sheet music is so you can see when the notes repeat. Notice how these two Fs, you see that note head stays on the same space, and then the note head skips down to the space below. So just watch how the notes are moving in your sheet music, and that will remind you what direction to go on the piano. Now, these two phrases together, you get, your boughs are green in summer's clime, and through the snows of winter time. In fact, you might find this section even easier to play if you take the time and go through and mark the finger numbers right in your music. 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. But most important is to see how those notes are moving. But if you need that extra help for this song, that's okay. Pause if you want some time to work on that section. Otherwise, let's look at the ending. Then we get the same thing we had the first time. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. So if we were to think about the form of this song, which is kind of a map for how this song is put together, that first phrase, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches, that phrase happens twice. So we could say A for that first time through, then A means we do that again, then B for something new. This part is the B section of our song. And then what do we get? Another A. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. I'm just cruising through so you can see the whole map of the song. It's A, B, A, and that can help you remember where you are in the song. Okay, let's hear the whole thing. But before we do that, notice the dynamic markings. Dynamics tell you how loud to play. And you'll notice at the start here, it's marked piano. Oh, Christmas tree. I want this to be peaceful, like it's so early on Christmas morning, maybe not everyone's even awake yet. And you're just looking at that beautiful Christmas tree, thinking how amazing it feels. So it's going to be kind of quiet, and then it gets a little louder to a mezzo piano at your boughs are green. That MP means mezzo piano, which is like medium soft. Maybe you're getting a little more excited here, but then on the last line, we'll get quiet again. Piano, Christmas tree. Okay, because you don't want to wake everyone up on Christmas morning. It's not quite time to open presents yet. Let's try the whole thing. You can play along with me if you like, or just listen. Here we go. And don't forget to download the sheet music. It's free on the Hoffman Academy website. So download it if you haven't already. Let's try the whole thing. I'll count 1, 2, and then we'll start. 1, 2. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Your boughs are green in summer's clime, and through the snows of winter time. O Christmas tree, O Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. And then you'll notice that repeat sign means go back and play through the whole song again, which I won't do right now because I want you to get on to practicing it on your own. By the way, if you want even more Christmas songs that are at this super easy level, you can purchase Christmas Favorites for Piano from the Hoffman Academy website or on Amazon if you want a physical copy. Great job learning how to play O Christmas Tree on the piano. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can watch hundreds of piano lessons for free at hoffmanacademy.com. That's right, it's part of my mission to make piano learning accessible, affordable, and fun, which is why I don't charge or have a paywall in front of any of my video lessons. If you'd like to support what I do, you can purchase Christmas Favorites for Piano, available for download in the Hoffman Academy store, or you can order a physical copy from Amazon delivered right to you. Christmas Favorites for Piano has many favorite holiday songs for you to enjoy, so it's the perfect way to make your Christmas more musical. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing. Want to hear a Christmas joke? Okay. All right. What is a Christmas tree's favorite candy? I don't know. Ornaments. Okay, here's one for you. Why are Christmas trees so bad at sewing? I don't know. Because they are always dropping their needles.